Hey, how's it going? We are continuing the series where we take a look at different top performing companies within UK and when it comes to receiving contracts from government, right? In particular, the defense industry, and with increase of spending in defense and grading all the hardware, software, things, some of the contracts of that. If anything, let's take a look at some of those companies out there. I have covered a number of those already. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the next one. That would be Cobham and what this group is. Taking all this information from the company's website, so this information should be up to date and accurate. If anything, I have tried to take a look at different sources, but I'm not entirely sure if any information up there is accurate and up to date. Let's jump into business and what the Cobham Group portfolio is. The Cobham Group comprises of number of dynamic businesses in diverse specialized areas, each of which area expertise in their field. Together, we are leading global technology and service innovator, highly regarded as respected for providing solutions in the most complex problems in some of the most challenging environments and missions. From depth of the ocean to depth space in anywhere in between. Our customer missions is our mission. Every mission matters. I guess this company cares a lot and it's a very risky environment, if anything, when it comes to space and some of those missions of that. I'm seeing this company for the first time. I don't know nothing about this company myself. Keys engineering critical cutting edge data solutions for the most challenging missions on land, sea, and in air and space, which customize solutions across the entire signal chain. Signal chain. So signal means has different things for different people, right? From what I understand, definition of signal would mean there's a lot of noise, and there's a in comparison noise to signal, right? Which I never knew, right? So noise it just sounds like it doesn't really mean anything. Signals there would be some value up there, and so this is how they're defining of the. It's very techy, nerdy way of describing things, I guess, including RF, microwave, and high reliability microelectronics. So either way, so it's more perhaps leaning towards high-end, complex problems, something that they're looking to solve when it comes to perhaps different environments, including land, sea, air, or even space. Communications and connectivity at the leading edge of aviation, connectivity and SATCOM solutions for the both military and civil platforms and customers, providing control and communication solutions for civil and military aircraft and satellite communications across globe in the most demanding environments. So perhaps they're looking to achieve that. I don't know nothing about this company again. Perhaps they have succeeded in accomplishing some of the projects out there. I'll try to find a little bit more information. C12 Ventures, supporting the next generation of technologies and visionary companies. So we're looking to support others. But I don't know, from what I understand, it's a private business and they're looking to support others. So, perhaps collaborate and work together with other businesses. There is very limited information on the company's website. I thought there would be more, as well as I have done some research on other sources. I couldn't find much information other than some of the projects that they have completed. I can briefly touch on those. But again, I'm not looking to promote, I'm not supported by any of those companies out there. Perhaps it's more of the new players up there, I guess, since it's very hard to find a lot of information about this company. And some of the dates have been dating back to perhaps just so it has started operating just 3 or 4 years ago, perhaps way before then. But it can take a lot of time to establish themselves, as well as some of the steps that they're taking right now. Let's take a look at those. I'm going to be taking a look at the company's website. I'll be taking information only from there, what information I can access. Some of the projects that would be they have offered, or perhaps in partnership with, offering work placements, and universities can prepare a lot of students. So some of the collaborations that they're looking to do with University of Nottingham, so it's great that they're doing that, as well as they pledge another 5 million investment in United Kingdom skills, so they're looking to invest in those. And I'm not entirely sure how they're structuring some of those contracts, right? Perhaps there's a reason behind those. Myself, I'm interested to understand a little bit more about what is the process, how to develop next generation of leaders. And if anything, that's what I'm interested in understand. As well as I can see that some of those companies investing into developing those people, right? Which is a great thing to do, as well as some of those companies limiting access to other business to access those people. If anything, how we managed to do that, limiting access to others, as well as they're looking to invest into AI technology. But if anything, there's a lot of potential within the industry, and some of the projects are there. I think I'm reading the same projects as other players within the market, if anything. As well as they're looking to secure a pension plan, benefit secured by 530 million deal with Standard Life. So pension when it comes to, but would that be required by the government to make sure to oversee pension by or to all of your employees? I think there's a requirement there, but it's good that they have secured that. So, which is a great thing. Look out to the people that works for your company. I have published a book. The name of the book is Game Strategy. In this book, I'm sharing a lot of information with the people out there who are interested in learning more, in particularly how to understand different industries when it comes to different areas. If you're currently doing a lot of research and you're looking to understand a little bit more about how to approach business, how to begin doing research, if anything, that's where everyone should start. From there, progressing, actually taking action, and starting your own company, starting your own business, starting your own venture project, whatever case might be, whatever you might be interested in doing, right? As well as if you have access to a lot of resources, or perhaps you gather those resources over time, you might be interested in giving access to other projects, to some of those resources, how you can benefit from that. And I'm sharing a lot of information with people out there who are interested in learning more in this book. You can find it in the description below, as well as Top Retailers has it. There is a lot of support. If anything, myself currently I'm looking to access some of the government companies, non-profits, right? So I'm looking to access those, and they could be intermediate companies, kind of, when it comes to business, reaching the gap when it comes to having access to some of those technologies, high-end technologies up there. So it's the way, that's the process how I'm doing it. But perhaps I'm going to be working with some of those companies that I'm covering within this video or other videos as well. So if anything, I'm trying to understand a little bit more about what will be the entire process and how any business can potentially work with some of the existing businesses up there who already have some satellites in orbit, if anything, right? So it's always good to understand what will be the process. If there's a form to fill in, if there's someone I need to speak to, it's very simple, right? So there's a lot of government support going into how to bring all the new businesses up to speed, or cooperate or mediate those businesses, how they can work together, right? So whatever, if you are currently something that you're doing, or perhaps if it's something that you're going to be doing in the future, there's a lot of government support there in different industries, as well as establishing those businesses as intermediaries, which, based on what kind of problems, those companies might be the ones that will offer you solution to products and services that you're looking to offer to different markets. Just to summarize today's video, I didn't manage to find that much information about this company online, and you want information or I managed to find or might not be very accurate. So, company's website, there is some projects that I mentioned that are very promising projects. Hopefully, we can succeed in accomplishing those projects. Again, sometimes can take time. Some of those areas can be very risky, if anything, when it comes to actually gaining momentum, as well as gaining perhaps market share. So there's a lot of obstacles there, right? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.